Hey guys, welcome back to Poison and Ivy. Today we are dressing up the Model 3 a little bit. We love the 2023 look, the black lines, everything looks super good, but we have these chrome emblems. Let's fix it. What do you say, Bran?
Yeah, let's make those matte black.
Okay, let's do it. Oh wait, watch this. Boom, we're already set up.
All right, Shelly, why don't you tell them what we have in here?
Okay, so to start out, we're going to start out with some surface prep spray and of course a good microfiber cloth, right? We got to get it nice and clean before anything can stick. So we scoured Amazon, found some that had pretty good reviews, so we thought we'd give them a try and let you guys know what we think of them.
We're not going to try to pronounce the name of them. Yeah, okay.
But we will link it below. So in the box comes front cover, rear cover.
And why is that important to know which is which?
The back one's bigger and it has a little bit of a concave vibe going to it.
Exactly, so don't mix them up. There's a reason they label them.
Okay, well, let's keep going.
Also, wait, real quick, I wanted to tell you, these are only suitable for the Model 3, so make sure don't buy the wrong ones. They did have them for Model Y as well, but you got to buy the specific ones. So apparently the emblems are different sizes, I guess.
That makes sense.
And then there's some extra tape and actually some alcohol wipes if you don't want to use your own surface prep spray. So there you go. All right, Shelly, you're going to put them on, aren't you?
Let's do it. Okay, close my frunk.
I hate this part. Who thinks a Tesla should put an electric motor like the rear on the front? I do. All right, you've got the front emblem, correct?
I've got the front emblem.
And you're gonna clean this first, right?
I've got my surface prep. I'm gonna give it little squirtsies.
Okay. Basically, guys, surface prep is just an alcohol spray. A diluted down alcohol spray.
Just removing any debris, any
residue. I think you're ready.
She's ready.
Peel and stick away. There's the emblem.
It's got a big sticker, a little pull tab. Also, while we're doing this, happy Halloween. You'll notice my nails are a little spooky. All right. So one thing when we were dry fitting these, we did notice you want to give this a little bit of a push down like this. So it's going to go as far down as it can. So you can have a little bit of room to get that top piece on and still have some room between to separate those two lines. Push it good. Push it real good. Part number 2, same process.
And on that one, we pushed up to try to keep somewhat of that separation, right?
Give it a good little push up.
Being that they're overlays, that's what Shelly's saying. You're going to lose a little bit of that spacing between the two, but oh well.
Actually, by doing that, though, it looks a lot better than when we were dry fitting it. So I'm going to give that a thumbs up. That looks a lot better. Walk with me to the back, guys. Same deal here. We're going to come back in with that prep spray.
Okay, Shelly, that was really easy and looks really good.
I love it. I'm going to give it a big thumbs up, definitely. We are going to wash this with pressure washer, so we will note below in the comments if it doesn't hold up.
If those T's go flying off and stab somebody in the neck.
Exactly. Ooh, Halloween vibes. I like it. Anyway, we appreciate you guys watching. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you at the next video.
All right, later.